Inside you lives a weak version of yourself, the one that keeps you comfortable, the one that keeps you small. And every day you give him power, but today you kill him. Hard times will come, that's guaranteed. And when they do, you don't get weaker, you get harder, stronger, more disciplined. We all have those days when everything inside us says, not today. Days when getting out of bed feels impossible, when motivation dies, when we secretly hope someone else will pull us out. But no one is coming, and the power you're waiting for has always been inside you. Throughout life, no matter what you do, who you are, or where you come from, you will face moments you don't understand. Painful moments, unfair moments, moments that make you ask, why me? What did I do to deserve this? But listen, everything has a season. Everything has a purpose. Whether you see it or not, whether you accept it or not, not everything will go the way you want. That's a fact, but you must stand firm and keep moving forward. Don't fall into the abyss of giving up. Just because it's not working today doesn't mean the work isn't working. Progress isn't always visible, but it is always happening as long as you keep moving. So ask yourself, do you have the strength? Do you have the mindset to break free from that lazy version of yourself? Don't wait for something to happen. Make it happen. Laziness won't take the weight off your chest. It won't sculpt your body. It won't bring you closer to your goals. Laziness is not your identity. It's not your story. Stop running from your real potential, from the part of you that's calling you to evolve. Make this day count. Make every breath count. Every second you lose never returns. How much pain can you take? Because there will be moments when you feel you can't go on. Moments of emptiness, weakness, doubt, and most people can't handle that. But you can, or you will, the moment you stop running from yourself. Make the most of your life right now. Yes, it's hard, I know, and it doesn't get easier with time, but you get stronger if you choose to resist. Hold on, give everything you have, even when you don't see progress. Know that opportunity still exists for you. You are not done yet. Focus on where you want your life to go. Forget what others think. Some people will tell you to slow down, to stop pushing so hard. But ask yourself, do you really want to slow down? Do you want to stop improving? Do you want to give up on yourself? Patience has its place, but waiting too long will destroy you. If you sit and wait, you'll be waiting forever. And you don't have that luxury. Time is running. Time doesn't wait. It never has. So what are you going to do? Sit down? Give up? Still believe you can't? It's time to release the best in you. Not tomorrow. Now, tomorrow is not guaranteed. Most people believe in tomorrow, but they don't believe in today. And that's the danger. This journey will hurt, but pain is part of the process. Lift your head. Stop looking down. Sadness will come. Anger will come. Fear will come. And they will try to convince you that you don't have what it takes. But I know you do, and you need to know it too. Keep moving forward. Yes, life is hard, but that's what makes it good. You're still here, still breathing. Use that. Become the best version of you. Don't doubt yourself. Don't think you're alone in your suffering. Many can no longer fight, but you still can. So keep going. Remember this. There is an opportunity for you right now. Just keep moving. Obstacles will appear. They always do, but they are part of the path. You can't avoid them, but you can overcome them. Your skill, your drive, your determination. That's what will take you where you're meant to be. You just have to accept one truth. Pain is temporary. Do you have the strength to let go of laziness? Do you have the character to continue? Leave the doubt, leave the negativity, leave the fear. Step forward, never backward. What happened, happened. What's coming is your destiny, and every step matters. This is your chance. Enough excuses. You are greater than your pain, stronger than your weakness, bigger than anything that tries to break you. You are on this earth, not under it. Act like someone who came to rise, not to hide. Prepare yourself for more challenges, because they will come. Some will try to bend you. Some will try to break you. but you do not have the right to break. You can bend, but you cannot break. Get up, run with purpose. You know what to do. Now do it. Be productive, be powerful, and above all, keep moving. From the bottom of my heart, do not stop. Run hard, work hard, do your job. And remember, as long as you're alive, you move forward. I've been through hell. I've hit the bottom. I've faced pain, money, darkness. I knew it would be tough, so I became tougher. That's what shaped me. When bad things come, build, learn, grow. It's your duty. Yes, it hurt. Yes, I had dark moments where I wanted to give up. But I asked myself, how do I get out of this hell? How do I rise from this? And the answer was simple. Get up, move, leave the pain behind. You can do better. So many people cling to sadness as if it defines them. But sadness is not your identity. It is not who you are. It does not control your life. It does not control mine. I am the master of my destiny. I will not die miserable. I will not give up. I have a purpose, and I must use every drop of strength to fulfill it. I don't want to survive. I want to live. There is no time for self-pity. Don't wait for someone to rescue you. If you're at the bottom, climb. If you're at the end of the rope, pull yourself up. Ask yourself, how did I get here? How do I rise? Am I running toward help, or am I running through hell? Maybe you needed that hell to transform yourself. I've lost. I've won. But I never quit, and neither should you. Don't say you have a dream if you're not willing to chase it. You want greatness? You want the world to know your name? Then rise the way the great ones did. They didn't let fear stop them. Do you know why you make excuses? Because you're afraid. Afraid of becoming great. Afraid of leaving the familiar. Afraid of reaching your potential. You're not afraid of failing. You're afraid of succeeding. You think you don't deserve greatness, but you do. You fear missing your goals. I understand, but don't let fear rule you. If you don't rise to your destiny, the world will lose your greatness. So let me ask you, can you accept the challenge? Can you endure the uncomfortable? Can you sacrifice what is necessary? It will not be easy, but it shouldn't be. Greatness requires sacrifice. Like a phoenix reborn, like the hero who falls but rises again. It is time for you to stand up. Work hard, fight another day. The sun rises every morning to remind you that you can rise too. Success does not come without struggle. It doesn't come without hell. There are no easy victories. Everything has a price. Who are you if you've never walked through hell? How do you tell your story without bleeding for it? Hell is real, but it is not your home. It's part of your development, part of your journey. The dark days will come, the sacrifice will come, but your transformation will come too. I've faced battles, I've felt cold, I've felt pain, but here I stand, stronger, sharper, more alive. I didn't die in the process. I built myself through it. Nobody cares about your suffering, and that's the truth. The real question is, do you care? Do you care about your life enough to fight for it? You are not the only one suffering. Everyone is walking through their own hell. But the real difference is this. What are you doing with yours? Hell is not eternal. You can pass through it. Weakness does not control me. My emotions do not rule me. I decide. Because if you let your emotions dominate you, there will be no tomorrow. Not for your dreams, not for your potential. Hell is coming. The pain will come. So fasten up. Get ready. If hell tries to destroy you, you destroy hell. If it attacks you, you go through the attack. Make hell understand that it does not own you. You are not its prisoner. You never were. You are only passing through this hell to become stronger.